How to hardwire dashcam on your S650 Mustang. REDTIGER F7NP Dashcam with hard wiring kit. Kit includes front camera, rear camera, GPS mount, wires, 12 volts power cord, trim removal tool, instructions, and warranty info. On the passenger side, pull outwards on the tab, push up and out to remove the fuse cover. Pull up on the trim by the sill plate. Pull out the rest of the fuse box cover. Slot 31 is always on. Slot 29 will only activate with ignition. Remove the fuses located on slots 29 and 31 and place them onto the kit's yellow and red hard wiring kit slots. Constant power yellow cable on fuse slot 31. Ignition power red cable on fuse slot 29. Ground cable black can go here or any other ground you may find. Use 10mm socket or adjustable wrench to remove net. Plug in the camera to make sure it runs without ignition on. Measure the cable to have enough length to reach the camera but not too much to hang for a clean setup. This plastic cover is flexible enough to lift for the cable to be inserted for a clean and discreet look. Measure the length of the rear camera to the front camera and place it. Plug it in to make sure it is working correctly and then tuck in your cables. Enjoy your CCTV dashcam.